guys. I've been standing here for like fucking 20 minutes now. I don't know what the fuck to do. I feel fucking devastated. I'm not... First of all, I'm sorry. I think I'm not going back to that fucking place anymore. Look at how fucking done. I don't know, I'm fucking speechless. This is that fucked up place, you see the fucking tree. Sorry for the fucking swearing, I can't help it anymore. This, what is, let's say this way, I'm going to that direction because I can't stay here anymore. I ran here, sound stopped, then I just stood in place waiting. We're gonna be fucking attacked again. I'm fucking speechless. I'm not... This... What is going on this fucking place? This is highly illegal. And what's the fucking point of all this shit? I've been pacing around here for like 20 minutes and then I found out where that disgusting smell is going on. Would you believe me if I told you the fucking animals are, well, I don't know, maybe humans. Animals, most likely, are exploded and incinerated into some fucking flesh pit. I'm gonna show you. There are a shit ton of fucking birds here. This whole area smells like fucking rotten death because it's some incinerated rotten flesh lying around here without fucking explanation. You see this blackness? I was pacing this fucking road for like, I already said it, 20 minutes or so, because I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do. Do I go there and I'm gonna fucking be attacked again? You see this? What do you think this is? What do you think this is? The ravens or whatever. The smell is sticking in again. I smell that shit. You know how it smells? Like rotten flesh. Like fucking rotten flesh. The birds, I don't know, they're ravens or something, they're eating this shit because I don't know, they probably like that stuff. I don't even know if they're eating it. It's just, there was a shit ton of them. Well, that scares me too. The ravens are gone. Where the fuck are they? There were a shit ton of them. Now we left. Maybe I'll be fucking attacked again. Well, I have nothing to do right now, so you know, bring it on. Destroy the fucking footage. At least my fucking phone works. Oh, the smell. Look at this shit. This is the fucking purest evidence of bullshit. You see, wow, this is fucking... Ah, my dog is even walking there. What the fuck? Fucking, this is like a fucking leak. You know, it looks like a leak, and yeah, it looks like a fucking leak. But guess what that fucking leak is? It's a fucking dead flesh. It's dead flesh. This fucking shit right here, it's some kind of incinerated flesh. Look, it's bloody. It's bloody fucking flesh. What the fuck is going on here? I don't want to become this fucking good. This fucking flesh. Is this some kind of fucking weapon testing? Is this some kind of fucking experimental bullshit? Because this is too fucking much, right? What the fuck? Ah, the What the fuck? I want to ask you all. Maybe this fucking video is pointless. Maybe I'll be incinerated. Not incinerated. What? I don't even. This is not even incineration. This is just fucking. Okay. Besides that, guys, I'm fucking sorry. I don't think I'm. If I get back from his fucking damned forgotten place, I really freaking doubt that I will come back here again. This is shit. This is fucking abnormal. Look, and this. Guess what? This smell here, like that fucking rotten flesh. This fucking shit. I don't know. How is this fucking possible? Where is where's the fucking bones? Where's the head? Where's the fucking substance of the flesh? This is it. This is the flesh, guys. Ah, it smells so fucking bad. This is the fucking flesh, guys. Do you understand this shit? This is the fucking flesh of some animal, of something. I don't fucking know. I don't know, guys. I don't know how long this fucking video gonna be. I just want to fucking tell you everything I think about this. How is this possible? What the fuck is this shit? It's like several animals were just fucking melted. One of the reasons I don't want to fucking go here. My dog was directly targeted. Directly. I don't even want to go that fucking direction. I don't know what happened. When my dog get too close. Is that a good excuse for me to ignore this shit? You heard him fucking scream. You fucking heard him fucking scream. And this is why I'm recording this shit again. I want to tell you how I felt. I think I'm not going to get into fucking any other fucking silent places. I don't even care anymore, guys. You're gonna see this video full. Look at this shit. This is flesh, guys. This is fucking flesh. Do I even need that fucking stick? I'm sorry, I'm fucking speechless. I'm truly speechless. I don't want to go there. I just want to stay here and talk to my fucking phone. Hopefully, you'll see the video if I'll carry it fucking back. Maybe it will be taken down from YouTube. Well, the space on my phone is running out, so I'll try to fix it.